Mediaket shows you how to backup and restore your modem configuration. The modem router is HUAWEI EchoLife HG520b. First part, how to create a backup file of your modem configuration. Type the following IP, 192.168.1.1, and press Enter key. Type here, username, admin, and default password, admin. Use your password, if you have already changed the default password. Click OK. Click on Tools in left menu. And click on Restore and Backup submenu. Click on Backup to save the file. Click OK. Create a new folder and rename it, and save your file in this folder. Click on Save to finish. The modem configuration backup file has been saved successfully. If there is a problem, you can restore the modem configuration from this backup file. Second part, how to restore a backup file of your modem configuration. Connect to the modem as it showed in the first part. Click on Browse to select the backup file. Open the folder and select the file named ROM0, and click Open. Click on Upload. Click on OK to confirm. Please be patient, this will take a moment. Nice, the modem configuration has been successfully restored. We have come to the end of this Mediaket tutorial. Thanks for following. Do not forget to subscribe to the Mediaket Tutorials channel.